There is something really innovative and different happening, where technology and teaching are starting to come together. In this new educational technology world, the University of Central Florida, along with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and our TeachLive computer simulated classroom partner sites, have a lot of technology to bring to teacher education. We know what high-quality teacher practice looks like. We also know technology. The University of Central Florida is a leader in educational technology for teachers. We have TeachLive, the only computer-simulated classroom of its kind in the world, and we use it to help teachers and teacher candidates across the country improve their practice every day. What a teacher sees in the simulated classroom while teaching a lesson is a screen filled with animated students with distinct personalities. The avatar students represent typical students in an urban American middle school. Teachers can rehearse high-leverage practices with our virtual kids and improve their teaching.
So tell me, do you agree with what Ed said, or would you add anything to it?
Seems like that if there's going to be a storm, then, I think that would be cool just to have a big hurricane party.
A hurricane party. Okay, so since we're talking about states of matter, what kind of matter are you going to have at your hurricane party?
Well, I'm going to have some dry ice and stuff, like a punch with dry ice.
Oh, dry ice. So what do you think, solid, liquid, or gas?
It's solid, because you can pick it up, like you were saying.
Kevin, what do you think about a real ice cube? What would be the states of matter might be involved in an ice cube? So Sean was thinking of one that wasn't dry ice. What would you think are the
ice cube? That's classic.
Okay.
Right? Just classic, because it's liquid, but then you freeze it and it becomes solid, but then when it melts, it becomes liquid again.
So for your little quiz, I'd like for you can either write it down, take out your cell phone, what have you, and I'd like for you to give me an example of a solid, liquid, and a gas. And CJ, you can use your phone for this activity.
Well, I'll text it to you.
That would be, actually, you're going to go into my Socrative and put in the number 11978, and you can answer the quiz online if that's what you choose to do.
Oh, sweet.
All right, thanks, class.
Think about a value for x that makes that equation false. What can we replace with that variable x that would make that equation not
true? That makes it false?
Yeah, that would make it not true,
Not
Sean.
true, okay.
False, not true.
Okay, can we just pick any number we want?
Well, if you want to take that technique, yeah, give it a try. Pick any number you want.
I'm picking 0, because I think 0, that's the best.
0 is a good one. Actually, I like 0. Why'd you pick 0?
Just because I like multiplying by 0, because it's super easy.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do those calculations. What calculations do you have then, Cindy? If you stick a 0 in
Well,
there.
because 0 works because, it'd be 0 times 4 is 0, right? And then plus 1 is just 1, and then that doesn't equal 3, so boom. It's wrong.
Exactly. Excellent. Okay.
Hey guys, I'm so glad you're back from lunch. I hope it was delicious. We are going to jump right into science, so I need you all to get all the materials that we're going to need. As you know, it's on the board here like it is every day. So if there's anything that you have on your desk that we won't need for science, please go ahead and put that away. Who can tell me what matter is? Yes, Ed. Thank you so much for raising your hand.
Well, matters, that's like when you have molecules that go together. It can be anything. It can, be a table or, anything. It's solid or liquid or gas.
Oh, thank you.
It could be air, it's everything.
Sean, so I remember you saying you had a story to tell us. Do you want to go ahead with that?
Oh my goodness, so we're talking about matters changing states, and it's so cool because our freezer broke, and my mom was really upset, and but I was saying, Mom, it's kind of cool because we're watching the ice turning to liquid, so it's changing matter, and she laughed so hard. She's like, you are just such a science brain.
Oh, Sean, that's a wonderful story. I'm so glad you were talking about what we learned in class to your mom. That's great.
Well, we're all done, and as you know, the objective of your lesson was to go in with a STEM activity and engage the students. And so we have this TeachR's video coding feedback tool, and I'd like you to take a look at the behaviors that we coded, the high leverage practices that we were looking at. So we were looking at questioning, wait time, and feedback. And as you can see, you had 3 instances of specific feedback. So I'd like you to think about that in terms of your objective for the lesson. What could you do differently next time? So we're all done with your reflection session, and I think you'll be pretty excited to know that the next session that we do is with Sean's mom, Jeanette.
Thank you so much for coming in today.
Oh, thanks so much for having me. I'm really eager to hear how Sean's doing.
Absolutely. I do want to talk with you about his progress here in science.
Well, he just loves your class. He thinks you're a wonderful teacher. I mean, I'm sure you get that sense from him.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. It's good hearing that.
Bye.